give it a try.
Whoa, this one's a little bit dry. You're gonna need a glass of water with this one for sure.
I don't think this one has any sauce, does it? Nope, no sauce. It's just the chimney with the cheese, the bacon, and the fries. This one for me is a little too dry, especially bacon. It's really rare when you find bacon that's like nice and juicy, you know? So I would have to give this one like a 4 out of 10. Now let's try the chicken burger. I love chicken, so I really hope I like this one. The chicken looks so juicy. I already know I'm gonna love this one. Oh my God. We have the bun, 2 chicken strips, pickle, mayonnaise, and ketchup. And it's like the thick slices of pickle. Oh, and also lettuce. So let's give it a try just like this. And then of course, you know me, I have to put some ketchup on it. So let's see what this tastes like. The chicken is really tender and really juicy. I was just expecting more of a kick to it, just because if you look at the, so let's see what this tastes like. The chicken is really tender and really juicy. I was just expecting more of a kick to it, just because if you look at the chicken, look at this. You can see all of the spices. So you would think that it would be like really flavorful or like with a nice little kick of spice, but no. It kind of just tastes like breaded chicken with like a little bit of flavor, but not too much as you would expect when you see like that chicken strip, you know? It's soft, it's hard, you know? So, oh, you see? It's really, really hard. It's not even soft. Here goes nothing. Let's try it out. It's like your typical chocolate chip cookie that you would buy at the grocery store.
Now, really I think it has cheese. If anybody's had Beast Burger, because I've seen a lot of YouTubers do it, comment down below Beast. Oh, you see the cheese? Alright, first of all, like milliseconds into this bite, I would order this over animal style fries. Easily. This is a freaking awesome grilled cheese. Also, and they use 2 things of cheese on this. They like put one on each side, melt them in. So there's something called the, there's a burger you can get with like fries in the burger. And it's like a different...
It looks like a hockey puck. I think I'm gonna start with the chicken sandwich first, but I'm actually gonna take off the pickles. Sorry guys, that's just the way that I roll. All right. That was a fail. I gotta say, the chicken is actually pretty flavorful. Yeah, chicken's actually pretty good. The hot chicken has the right amount of spice. It's got the right amount.
I really want to like this, but it's got too much pickleness in it.
Nothing special. Okay, the stomach's really starting to get, it's giving me some trouble right now. Oh, goodness. It was like the first bite of sugar I've had all week. It's gotta be all the moment. Wow. It's chewy and delicious. Oh.
I can't wait. So let's get a fry real quick. Because they got delivered, I'm expecting them to maybe be a little bit soggy, but we'll see. Okay, whoa. Why do these taste like animal style fries a little bit? Because animal style sauce is all of those sauces with like pickle juice and stuff. And the onions, it's kind of like similar. Okay. A little messy with the fingers being on here. Oh my god, very messy. Pretty good. This is not the spicy one. It does just kind of taste like a basic chicken sandwich, but it's good. Well, I know for sure I got one Nashville hot and one original, so to me they taste exactly the same. I'm guessing they may have messed it up unless other people are saying the same thing, but yeah, they look the same too. I don't know. Like, these definitely look the exact same. And that isn't what I ordered, but whatever. But besides that, the chicken sandwich is a decent chicken sandwich. Tastes like Wendy's or Burger King's. Like, honestly, a chicken sandwich is gonna taste like a chicken sandwich unless it had like a special sauce on it, which I think that would have been good if there was like ketchup and mayonnaise on it or something, or even all three of the sauces on the chicken. Because like, I would put mayonnaise. There's already mayonnaise. I would put ketchup on my chicken patty sandwiches in like high school. And mustard goes with everything if you like it though. But you could just say like no sauce, but I think they should have did that. Overall, I rate this place.
That's not bad at all. That's actually really good. Honest?
Honest, like, I'll be honest with you guys.
No cap. It is a bit
Dry.
A bit. Everybody has these fries. Shake Shack, Dave's Hot Chicken, Raising Cane's, MrBEAST. People are gonna call me like,
Stop forking it, stop! Stop!
disaster bite. That was such a disaster. It's hard to eat this because it's a little bit dry. Because just straight up fries. I love having condiments with my fries. Like it's hard for me to eat fries without like ketchup or some sort of like sauce.